located just minutes from the beach and the highly sought-after La Jolla Farms community, 9660 Black Gold Road is truly a stunning property. With gorgeous ocean views, this expansive estate offers the rare opportunity to live on a beautifully landscaped 1-acre lot, all while being close proximity to shopping and fine dining. Featuring 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and over 6,900 square feet of magnificent living spaces designed by the famous architect Don Edison. Entertain in the bright and open living room with its elegant coffered ceilings, large windows that bathe the room in natural light, and a fireplace perfect for creating a cozy ambiance. Prepare your favorite meal in the gourmet kitchen with its state-of-the-art appliances, including a wine refrigerator. And with doors leading outside, you can easily take advantage of indoor-outdoor living. Mesmerizing ocean views take center stage in the master retreat. With a wall of French doors leading out to the patio. Unwind in the luxurious master bath, complete with a large soaking tub, walk-in shower, and spacious walk-in closet. And with 5 additional bedrooms, wood-paneled office complete with custom built-ins and an oversized bonus room, space is plentiful. Enjoy a 5-star experience in your very own backyard, complete with relaxing waterfalls, swimming pool, sport court, as well as lush landscaping. And with private access to Black's Beach just a short walk away, this is a rare opportunity to own a stunning home in the exclusive La Jolla Farms neighborhood.